Hey guys, it's Connor. Today I'm going to show you my top 5 easiest Rubik's Cubes. Let's get into it. So my first easiest one is the gear cube. I'm going to mix this up in 3, 2, 1. So basically to solve this cube, first you have to get all the same corners in the correct spot. So unlike a Rubik's Cube, this turns, you can't turn it 90 degrees because if you see, it won't turn. So you gotta turn it. It only goes 180. So first you find all the colors and put them on the same layer or same face. So once you do that, you position the corners in the right spot. So these are in the wrong spot, so you're gonna have to flip these two using a certain algorithm. And then you're gonna have to do that with every one. And now once they're on the correct spot, all you have to do is you just turn this until it lined up like that. So there's only really one algorithm to this cube. But yeah, that's the gear cube. So my next cubes are the Moyu Ready Cube and the Dino Cube. These are pretty much the same puzzle, except this one has corners, so I'm only gonna scramble this one. So I'm gonna scramble it in 3, 2, 1. Okay, so first what you do is you put like all the corners, like all the reds on one side and all the whites on one side. So and then once the corners are in, basically all you do is you just start putting in the edges. There's not really any certain algorithm for this one. But yeah. So once you have this, like the corner, you basically kind of want to do what you do on pyramids. If like this, if it's like this, if it's like this, that is the same algorithm to this. So you're gonna do that same algorithm. And that will solve the cube. It's a pretty easy and fun cube. And that is a Moyu Ready Cube. So the next cube, the next easiest cube, is the Ivy Cube. So I'm gonna mix it up in 3, 2, 1. So there it is mixed up. So basically they just turn on the corners. So what you want to do is you want to match up all the corners, which is pretty easy. So once all the corners are matched up, then you're gonna wanna just place each middle into the where it's supposed to go, and then after that you'll probably end up with something like this, and then you'll just line them up, and then that's pretty much how you solve it. There's not really many algorithms or any algorithm you need to memorize. So that is the GEIV cube. The next easiest cube is the pyramids. So I'm gonna mix it up in 3, 2, 1. So after you mix it up, the first thing you want to do is solve the tips, and then you're gonna want to match all the tips and the edges with together. So it's pretty not too difficult. So and then after that, you're gonna want to just place the pieces in. So then you're gonna go over and then like that, and just place them in, and then see where's the other piece, and then you'll just do that for one side, and then you might so you can get like a like 2 blues over here, and then yellows, and then greens, but I didn't get that. So basically what I just do is I'll go solve the yellow until I get that, and then once you get that, you'll just do this one algorithm, and then it'll just basically solve it. So this is the pyramids. So the next easiest cube is the 2x2x3. So let's mix it up in 3, 2, 1. So after it's mixed up, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to put the white on one side and put the yellow on the other side. So then after that, you're going to want to find a side that's solved. But if you have no side, you're going to solve it twice. You're going to do this algorithm twice. So then that solves that, and then you'll do it over here. So and that's pretty much the only algorithm you really need to know. And then pretty much I'll just solve it. And then once you get this, all you gotta do is turn it and then you'll get it solved. And this is the 2x2x3. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked it. Make sure to like and subscribe and comment what I should do next. Bye.